What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Ace and we're back at it again, and today we have a 2017 Ford Mustang Echoboost. Hope you enjoy.
Why an Echoboost, you may ask? Well, unlike the 5.0, which was made for people who crave straight-line acceleration, the Echoboost was designed to deliver great power and torque, but providing greater fuel efficiency. But that doesn't mean that this one has nothing to offer. And powering this amazingly crafted machine is a turbocharged, intercooled 2.3-liter inline-4 that pushes out 310 horses and 320 Nm of torque. All this power is delivered to the rear wheels by a 6-speed automatic gearbox. It also features a 59-liter fuel tank, the average consumption being 9.8 liters per 100 kilometers.
To open the roof, what you need to do is unlock this lock right here, and then after that there's a button that you press over there and it takes down your roof. Another feature to die for is this amazing red and black interior. Red and black being among my favorite combinations when it comes to cars. Let's also not forget the well-stitched Shelby logo. The seats are very comfy and also allow you to sit down low as you drive your car.
The rear seats aren't spacious enough for a full-size adult, but do come in handy for the child seats.
I also love that this car comes with a manual handbrake, opposed to the new modern vehicles that come with the automatic one, which also says goodbye to the handbrake turn, unfortunately.
This particular car's infotainment system has been upgraded to a full touchscreen system and contains all the media controls that you need. There are also more media controls on the steering wheel. Let's take a look at that interior one more time. The Mustang is fitted with independent rear suspension and also comes with a limited slip differential. That way, you can take your corners with less fear of ending up in the ditch. You can also push your luck to try and get some decent slides. Last but not least, the car generally looks good and I'm sure will catch your eye when you sit on the streets. That's it for today guys, hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.